So why are we looking at a Laval sign?
Because November 14th, Rock the Rink, Place Bell with Birds of BELLWOODS. We saw them last in Montreal in 2018 at Oshiaga, in 2018 at Festival d'été du Québec, and 2017 at Yulee is when we discovered them for the first time, and they're coming back making their triumphant debut. Birds of BELLWOODS, Rock the Rink, November 14th. And there's a bit of skating too as well, but Birds of BELLWOODS, mark it down. November 14th, Rock the Rink, Place Bell in Laval, Montreal.